In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Quest 2 to PC without cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The primary way to connect and use your MetaQuest 2 with a PC is through a cable with the Quest Link. However, you can also connect it wirelessly by using AirLink. So essentially, it is the same idea. You are able to use your MetaQuest 2 to play PC games, but you won't have to use a cable, so you can do this connection wirelessly. To set up AirLink, all that you have to do is go into the settings inside of your Oculus headset. I also recommend downloading the latest version of the Oculus software. So if you go over to the official website at meta.com, you will be able to find the software here. So look for MetaQuest Link. This software will help you configure the Quest 2, you will see its battery's level, and so on. So you just have to sign in with any of these accounts here. And once you are properly signed in, you connect the Quest 2 to your PC by using AirLink. So go into the settings. Access the Quest Link category. If you don't see it here, go into the general settings until you find the category and then enable AirLink. So at the top you will see this option, Use AirLink. If needed, you might have to go into the experimental features and enable it from there as well. Keep in mind that this will disable link cable, so if you also use the cable, you will have to disable this later. Once AirLink is enabled and you are in close proximity of your PC with the software open, you will see a message like this telling you that you should make sure that the code displayed here is the same as the one displayed on your MetaQuest 2. Just confirm if it looks okay, and it is going to be paired. So you choose your PC, the code is going to be displayed, and then you confirm to finish this pairing. Once this is done, you will be able to use your MetaQuest 2 headset wirelessly connected to your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Quest 2 to PC without cable. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.